candidate number 6. And our Little Miss, fourth runner-up is candidate number 11. Lalaki yung brown, ma'am. Apo. Alright, congratulations, our fourth runner-up. Picture po. And now, our Little Mr. Intramurals 2025, third runner-up is candidate number 10.
Wala po bang malangpak dyan?
And our Little Miss Intramurals third runner-up is candidate number 1. Okay, congratulations.
Our Mr. Second runner-up is Little Mr. Candidate number
7. And our Little Miss second runner-up is candidate number 3.
For the first runner-up, Mr.
Little Mister
Little
is
Mr.
candidate number 11.
First runner-up.
Please, bibigay mo sa akin yan. Very good!
Alright, of course, let's call our Little Miss first runner-up. Our Little Miss first runner-up is candidate number 2. Of course, our Little Mr. Intramurals 2025 is candidate number 8.
Very good ang aking piano.
And our Little Miss Intramurals 2025 is candidate number 10. Alright, congratulations.
Tatingin lang siya sa akin. Sa'yo yan? Oo. Picture mo daw. Yay! Very good. 8. Number 8. Sa'yo mo na.
Diba? Balot na balot sila ng sash.
Wow!
Congratulations to our winners. Grade 4, 5, and 6. Please be ready po. Okay, siyempre, tawagin natin yung advisor ng Jen and Ma'am Monte.